All right, color bars. Got them bars.
Good?
Mmm.
Okay.
Let's get some bars like our Christian rapper here.
Don't get me started.
Hello, my name is Robert Higgins, and I am a filmmaker. If you're just joining us, we are in the middle of our post-mortem breakdown of our $1,000 feature film, Barbara. And as we count down from 8 weeks until we release the film on New Year's, I will be giving out individual tips and tricks that I learned during production. Now, this episode is going to be a little bit sexier than some of the others. If you count talking about screenwriting and lighting as particularly sexy topics. But we saved the sexiest topic for number 5. That's right. I love them. You love them. Bars.
Bars! Bars. 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 Bars.
Specifically, color bars. These color bars that we used on set. Now, I'm not a colorist, so feel free to correct me. I won't be offended. And I know that color bars are traditionally used to calibrate monitors on set. Now, in the $1,000 feature film, your phone is a monitor. Still not a camera, but definitely a monitor. Filmic Pro does have the ability to auto just about everything, but you're going to get better footage, trust me on this, if you take a few seconds to use these bars and dial in your white balance and color profile. Bars.
Just say, I'm in a different mode right now.
If you're shooting against moving sunlight, this will help you in post to nail down a proper look as the light literally changes on your actors' faces. And I know some of you are saying, but Rob, when you're running and gunning around, you don't have the time to be throwing... No, stop, lies. Lies. We had 8-hour days where some days we were shooting 15 to 17 pages at a time, and every time we moved the camera, we used them bars. Them bars. The boy about them bars. Pro tip. Here's a hack for remembering to put up your bars. Take them to the back of your clacker so that whoever job it is to slate will remember every time they pick it up. Using a clacker for sound, using bars for color in both production and for post. These are little things that will add up to make your production run a little smoother and save you time in post. And they don't cost much. Them bars, $10. And the slate, well, some of you probably have one lying around as a gag or a prop. And if not, there's literally an app for that. Bars. So any Hoosers, if you're digging this video or any of our Mofo Monday content, please feel free to like or subscribe. Our social medias should be on the screen for the followings. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and thanks also for the outpouring of support that you guys have been showing us on Calla Lilies. We've been loving the likes, the comments, and most importantly, the shares. Keep it locked to this channel. We just finished the Barbara trailer, and it will probably drop on the back end of one of these Mofo Monday videos sometime coming soon.
That boy drunk.
That boy drunk. That boy good.
Okay, got work to do.
Yeah, you love it, Qui-Gon Jinn.